A single unauthenticated packet to a Kasa Spot EC71 camera came back with the owner's precise home coordinates. It's patched now. The interesting part is how long it lasted. The request is 29 bytes, sent to port 9999. No token, no session, no pairing. What comes back is a JSON blob carrying the owner's longitude and latitude. The only protection is a trivial XOR cipher that Wireshark reads as clear text. There's a fair objection, and early reactions raised it quickly. This only works from inside the local network. If someone's already on your Wi-Fi, they arguably know where you live. Except the camera doesn't have to be yours. A factory reset didn't clear the user data. Buy a used one, send the same packet, and it returns the previous owner's coordinates. A $3 programmer then pulls their account email and an unsalted MD5 of their password. And that login covers Tapo, Deco, Vigi, and Omada. All of it is fixed in current firmware. None of this was secret. In 2016, a reverse engineering write-up documented the same port, the same trivial cipher, and no authentication mechanism at all. What followed, the advisory says, was targeted, incremental remediation rather than a comprehensive architectural review. The smart plug line lost its local interface in 2020. Camera firmware, built in April 2024, still shipped the behaviour. The two sides scored it differently, and the gap is one value. TP-Link rated the location leak 5.3, medium, calling the confidentiality impact low. Flip that one field to high, leave the rest of the vector alone, and the formula returns 7.1, the researcher's number. The National Vulnerability Database's own assessment, in its own words, is not yet provided. Current firmware removes the coordinates and stops the port answering unauthenticated requests. The part worth keeping isn't the camera. It's the difference between fixing an instance and fixing a class.